Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we will know how we can use filter operation very effectively. So as you can see, I took a set of data. So generally we will be using filter operation in any organization for attendance sorting purpose, or certain employees on which day they joined or they resigned the company. So we will try to execute those things in a smarter way. Generally what people will be doing is they will be just selecting the data and adding the filter, and then they will be sorting whatever the filter operation they need, right, which is time consuming. So instead of that, what we can do is you can just remove whatever I did here, remove it. So what we can do is just select the data and press Control T, which will create a table actually. So after creating the table, the option will be enabled saying table design. Click on that and click insert slicer. So for which column you need filter operation, you just select that option, which where I am selecting results here. Just click OK and your slicer will get added. You just resize it in whatever size you want, and that's it. Your smart filter is ready. You can just click pass. See, you can see only pass, you can data are coming, and if you want both means you can just select both, or if you don't want any filter means just clear the filter and that should work fine. Yeah, thank you guys. Hope this video finds you helpful, and make sure to share and subscribe to my channel.